So in today's video, we're gonna see how to install a VS Code Insider, and we will install a GitHub Copilot agent into VS Code Insider. For years, I thought every AI coding agent is just a scam. It is just another ChatGPT who is just giving you some bunch of answers and asking you to try those answers for yourself. I was not impressed with the AI coding agents until when I tried GitHub Copilot agent. I was shocked to see the results, what it is capable to do things. It is not just a hype, it is the most insane thing I have ever seen. So in this video, we're gonna install VS Code Insider, we're gonna install GitHub Copilot agent into VS Code Insider, and we'll give it a real-time challenge to complete one very difficult task, and that it will do from scratch. I bet you don't want to miss a single second of it. So stay tuned and watch the complete video to know how GitHub Copilot is able to complete the website just by giving us one single prompt. First thing first, let's get things running. So all you need is a VS Code Insider. If you don't have it, just go to VS Code website and download a VS Code Insider for yourself. It's completely 100% free. Just search a VS Code Insiders on your Google and go to the first link that pops up. So on this website, you will see Visual Studio Code Insiders. Download it for your system. So I just downloaded it. I'll open the zip file. It will unzip the zip file and it will give me a Visual Studio Code Insiders. So I'll run the app. It will just ask me like whether I want to open it. So I'll give it a yes, open, and there you go. It's showing some settings. I'll just close it. So on the welcome screen, it's saying Visual Studio Code Insider. So that is the first step done. We just successfully installed the Visual Studio Code Insiders. It is as simple as that. Now for the magic, to turn on the agent and in the Copilot, GitHub Copilot, you can just go to this new workspace with Copilot and a chat window will open. What we have is just a AI programmer that will work for us. It is amazing. I am very excited to work with it. So you have to select the agent from it. Instead of ask or edit, make sure you have an agent selected in your chat window. Alright, the GitHub Copilot agent is installed and we have a VS Code Insider ready. But can it actually code? We are not asking it to make any Hello Code website. We're gonna ask it to create a to-do app or the website from scratch without even touching a keyboard or the mouse on our laptop. So we'll just give it a single prompt and we'll ask it to create a to-do website from scratch using a ReactJS, and it needs to add a task and delete a task. So that functionality we want. So for this demo, I'll open a okay, and we need to give it a empty folder at least. So that is what it is asking. I just opened one empty folder. There is no files, you can see. It is all empty. I've selected a agent from the GitHub Copilot window and the Cloud Sonnet 4. So why Cloud Sonnet 4? Because it works well with the coding task. So that's why we have used it. So let's give it a prompt and see what it does. Create a to-do list website using ReactJS. I should be able to add task and delete once they are completed. Okay, first thing it's doing, analyzing my workspace. It's not just guessing. It's looking at my empty folder and planning it entire attack. This is already another level. Perfect. I'll create a new ReactJS project for your to-do list website. Let me set up the workspace with all the necessary files. Insane. Crazy. Okay. So it is using the new way of creating React apps, which is perfectly good. It's using a create vite or white. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll just give it yes, continue. It has entered the command into the terminal and it is now installing. Okay. npm install and npm run dev is done. Next command is npm install. It is installing all the dependencies that we need like React.js and all. The project is created. We can see that we already have inside a demo. We have source, node modules. So in node modules, all the dependencies will go, and it has created a app.jsx. So the actual app will be here. Then we have JSS, CSS file. So it's adding assets. Okay, let it do the work. It's writing the code right now. It's building the input fields, add a task, the list to display the task, and it's making sure delete button actually works. This is happening all live, and this is crazy insane. This is where it gets crazy. It's not just writing code blindly, it understands the goal. So it has added a to-do list component. Now it's creating a CSS for to-do list. It's adding all the logic. Let's see what it does. But this is crazy. The level of context it's maintaining, it's just unreal. All the CSS. So let's wait for a couple of minutes and let's see if our app is ready from scratch. While it is doing its stuff, why we are using Visual Code Insiders, not the Visual Studio Code? Because Visual Studio Code Insider, like it is designed for a GitHub Copilot agent, and the GitHub Copilot agent works well with the Visual Code Insiders than the VS Code. That's why I have preferred Code Insiders for working with the agent, and I would suggest you also to start using Code Insiders. Don't use VS Code. Don't use VS Code. I think it has done coding everything. It is adding some readme file and all so that like other developers understand it. Now let me create a VS Code task configuration to build and run the project. Okay, it wants to do some configuration so that we are able to run our project. So it has started the server. It is asking me to click on this website. Let's open it. Damn. There it is, a fully working app. I'm looking at a to-do list made from nothing. Let's test it. I'm typing in subscribe to the channel. Okay. So please do subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna create such videos more if you subscribe, and I'll be motivated to do such stuff. I'll add a task like subscribe to the channel. Add task. Nice. It has added a task. That is great. Let me add more. Record one YouTube video. Perfectly fine. It is adding task. Reminder to you, go to the LeetCode website and solve today's question because you need a DSA practice, right? So let me add that into a to-do list. Solve two LeetCode questions today. Nice. So it is able to add the task perfectly. That is working perfect. Now we have asked it to delete, right? If once it is completed. Nice. Once we complete the task, so click on the checkbox, it is scratching the task. Nice. We can even delete it. We can remove from the to-do list once it is done for the next day. Perfectly done. It is working so perfectly. I'm just losing my mind. I did not write a single line of code. This agent took one sentence and built a whole application from scratch, even from the empty folder. I checked the code. It's perfectly fine. It's clean, organized. It works. So is GitHub Copilot agent insane? Definitely yes. A million times yes. This changes everything. We are seeing the biggest revolution of our time. Maybe things will change going forward. Conventional coding things will change. We will not be sitting on the laptop for hours for solving things, which means we can focus on building bigger things. This is the future and it is here right now. If you think this is insane, do slam that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I want to know what craziest thing you want to do with the GitHub Copilot agent. Let me know into the comments. We might do it in the next video as well. And subscribe right now because we are just scratching the surface that what AI can do. Thanks for watching.